Argumentative refers to something that involves argument or debate. It describes situations where people express different opinions or ideas and support them with reason, fact, or logic. For example, ma'am, in argumentative essay, the writer presents a clear stance on an issue and tries to convince the reader to agree with them. They do this by providing evidence and reasoning while also addressing and countering opposing viewpoints to strengthen their arguments. The goal is to persuade the reader to aspect the writer's present perspective through with supportive arguments.
The term of argumentative refers to a type of writing, speech, or discussion where one presents a claim or position and supports it with evidence and reasoning. To persuade others, it involves key characteristics. Number 1, claim. A clear statement of the main argument. Number 2, evidence. Facts, statistics, or experiments, opinions to support the claim. Number 3, warrant. Explanation of why the data supports the claim. Number 4, backing. Additional evidence or reasoning to reinforce the argument. Number 5, counter. Argument acknowledging opposing views and addressing potential criticism. Argumentative techniques. Number 1, logical reasoning. Number 2, emotional appeals. Number 3, ethical consideration. Number 4, rhetorical devices. Example, metaphors and analogies. Purpose. Number 1, pursue the audience. Number 2, convincingly present a viewpoint. Number 3, encourage critical thinking and discussion. Common formats of argumentative. Number 1, essays. Number 2, debates. 3, editorials. 4, persuasive speeches. 5, academic papers.
There are 7 elements of argumentative, and the first one is claim. The primary stance or argument regarding the matter. It ought to be lucid, succinct, and controversial. Evidence. The claim is supported by facts, figures, statistics, examples, or professional judgments. The evidence must be reliable, useful, and well-referenced. The third one is reasoning. Describes how this claim is supported by the evidence. Avoids fallacies and makes use of logical connections. The fourth one is counter-arguments. Shows impartiality and awareness of the large discussion by acknowledging opposing viewpoints. The fifth one is the rebuttal. Uses logic and supporting evidence to disprove the counter-arguments. And the sixth one is conclusion. Provides a summary of the argument and supports the claim that was made. Motivates the audience to embrace the point of view or perform a particular action. And the last one is logical structures. Ensures that argument is logically organized, including the introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Every segment flows naturally to preserve clarity.
A debatable claim. The claim should be supportable and focused. A narrow claim is easier to support with evidence and is more persuasive than a broad claim. Logical reasoning. The argument should use logical reasoning to support the claim. Evidence. The argument should include evidence and examples to support the reasoning. Evidence can be facts, data, or other observable elements that are analyzed or interpreted to support the arguments. Counter-arguments. The argument should consider counter-arguments, clear and reasoned approach. The argument should be presented in a clear and reasoned manner. Logical fallacies. The argument should avoid logical fallacies. Thank you.
Last example, Is technology making people more isolated? Technology is making people more isolated by reducing face-to-face interactions and fostering superficial connection. Social media platforms often replace meaningful relationships with shallow exchange leading to loneliness and mental health issues. While proponents claim technology allows people to connect globally, it cannot replicate the depth of real life interactions, which are essential for emotional well being.